Hello student. Chapter 11 Perimeter and Area. In that today we solve exercise 11.1. Question number 1. The length and breadth of rectangular piece of land are 500 meter and 300 meter respectively. Find its area and cost of land if 1 meter square cost is 10,000. Okay, so first we find out area, then cost. Okay, now what is given here? Land rectangle plot is there. Its length is given, L equal to 500 meter and B equal to 300 meter is given. So first we find out area. So area of rectangle. So here rectangular plot equal to L into B. We know that area of rectangle L into B, that is 500 into 300 equal to 5 3s are 15 and 1 2 3 4 4 zeros are there. Okay, meter square, that means 1,50,000 meter square. Okay, now cost of 1 meter square, now that is the area. So here our first answer. Now second one, cost of that one. So cost of 1 meter square land is 10,000 rupees. Then cost of 1,50,000 equal to how many? Cost multiplication, 1,50,000 into 10,000 equal to 15,000,40 and these 4 zeros rupees. That's your answer. Now question number 2. What's the question? Find the area of square park whose perimeter is 320 meter. Here perimeter given and you just find out area. Okay, now we know that area of square equal to L square, means we need length. How to find out length? Here perimeter is given, so first from perimeter we find out length. Okay, so perimeter of square equal to 4 into L, we know that, and that is given 4 into L, which is perimeter. Value of perimeter is given, that is 320 meter. Okay, now change the side of 4, so length equal to 320 divided by 4. 4 8s and 1 0 80, that means L equal to 80 meter. Now find out area. Area of square equal to L square, otherwise L into L. L square means L into L, so 80 into 80. Now 80 80 6 4 and 2 zeros are there, meter square, that is the area of that square. Okay, now question number 3. Look, find the breadth of rectangular plot land if the area equal to 440 meter square and length is 22 meter. Also find perimeter. Okay, first we find out breadth and then perimeter. Now rectangular plot is there, so first we draw rough diagram for that one. This type of plot is there. Okay, and its length is given, that is 22 meter, and breadth is question mark, but here area is given. Okay, area of rectangular plot equal to how much? That is 440 meter square is given. Okay, now area, here write down the formula, L into B. Area of rectangular equal to L into B, and that is 440 is given. Okay, L equal to 22 meter, so write down here 22 into B equal to 440. Now change the side of 22, so B equal to 440 divided by 22. Here 22 is in multiple form, which in the side is become at denominator, division form. 22 2s are and 0, that means B equal to 20 meter. Okay, so here first answer, breadth is there, that is 20 meter. Now find out perimeter. So perimeter of rectangular plot equal to, what is the formula to find out perimeter of rectangle? That is 2 into bracket L plus B. So 2 into bracket L equal to 22 plus 20. So 2 into bracket, that is 42. Multiply that, 2 2s are 4 and 4 2s are 8. 8 meter square. Clear? Now question number 4. Question number 4 is the perimeter of rectangular sheet is 100 centimeter. If length is 35, find the breadth and also find out area. Okay, same sum is there, but here perimeter is given, we just find out area and breadth. Okay, here length is given, L equal to 35, breadth not given. Okay, but here perimeter is given, perimeter equal to, that is 100 centimeter. Okay, so write down perimeter of rectangle equal to 2 into bracket L plus B. Put the value, its 100 is given, equal to 2 into bracket 35 plus B. Now change the side of 2. So 100 divided by 2. Here that is in multiple form. Change the side, it's become at denominator side. 35 plus B, that is 50. So 50 here plus is there, which in the side, that is become minus B. So B equal to 50 minus 35 is 15 centimeter. Here centimeter. Okay. Now we are having breadth and length both one. Now find out area. Okay. So area of rectangle equal to, area of rectangle equal to L into B. L equal to 35 is given and B equal to 15. We already find out that one. Okay. So 35 into 15. 35 and 15. 5 5 25. 2 is 5 3 is 15, 16 and 17. Here 0, 5 and 3. 5, 2. So that is 525 centimeter square. Okay, that's your answer. Now question number 5. Look what is given. The area of square park is same as the regular park. Means area of square park and area of rectangular park are same. If the side of square park is 60 meter and length of rectangular park is 90, find the breadth of rectangular park. Okay, first we draw diagram. Look, two parks are there, one is square and another is rectangle. Here length of that one is given 60 meter and length of rectangular is given, that is 90 meter, and breadth is not given. Okay, but what is given? Area of square park, and this one is area of rectangular park. Both are equal is given. Okay, means value of both one is equal. Now that is L into L, otherwise L square, and this one is L into B. Put the value of all one, that is 60 into 60 equal to, here L equal to 90 and B is not given. Now change the sign of 9. So 60 into 60 divided by 90, and here B. 90 is in multiple form, which in the side, that is come at denominator side, means division form. Now 0 0 cut. Here 2 into 3 and here 3 into 3. So 3 3 cut. Now 3 20 is 60. So 20 into 2, that is 40. 40 equal to B. That means breadth equal to 40 meter. Means breadth of park equal to 40 meter. Okay. So student, today we solve first 5 question of exercise 11.1. You just complete, means solve all that 5 questions in your notebook. Rest of the questions we will solve in next video. Okay, thank you.